Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting basics out of the way fast. Update Instagram so you have the latest performance fixes, and make sure your connection is stable. Once done, switch to a reliable Wi-Fi or a strong mobile signal because low upload speeds cause stutter. Next, force stop and relaunch the app. On Android, clear the cache to remove corrupted temporary files. Do this now so you avoid chasing symptoms and can test whether lag persists after these immediate actions. Once the quick fixes didn't fully resolve things, you move into diagnostics to find the bottleneck. Free up storage space. Instagram needs workspace to decode video, so keep around 10% free. Then close background apps and pause heavy uploads or streams because CPU and network contention produce dropped frames. If you use a VPN or ad blocker, temporarily disable it to test. Finally, lower Instagram video quality in settings to reduce processing. Now you finish the repair by rebooting your device to clear residual memory and network stacks, then test with a short video to confirm smooth playback or upload. If lag remains, uninstall and reinstall Instagram to remove corrupted app data and ensure a clean installation. Make sure to log back in and recheck settings. If problems persist, try another device or a different network to determine whether the issue is account, device, or network related. That single test often pinpoints the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.